Yes, I can confirm na darating si Vice President Sara Duterte in a few minutes, but she will only be here for a meeting with the defense team. No, meron kaming napag-usapan na magkikita kami today dito sa holding room ng defense team para mapag-usapan ng ilang bagay-bagay, no? But she will not be attending the hearing or the scheduled hearing this afternoon. She has engagements din po kasi. That's why she's here in Manila. And she will have to proceed to her engagements after our meeting. Okay, good morning. Pasensya na kayo. Talagang pinagbabawalan kami ng Senate Media Relations, no, na magpa-interview kasi talaga sa hallway. So, nahihirapan ako when nasa hallway kayo, baka maisip nyo na suplado ako, hindi ko sinasagot yung mga tanong nyo. It's not that I don't want to, it's just that I've been reminded already, I think it's for the third time this morning that I shouldn't be doing what I'm doing, that I'm responding in the hallway because we want, in fairness to the Senate, they just want everything to be orderly. And I really thank the Senate for helping us with that. No? But as to the question, I think the question is kung darating si VP, has been reported this morning. Yes, I can confirm na darating si Vice President Sara Duterte in a few minutes, but she will only be here for a meeting with the defense team. No, meron kaming napag-usapan na magkikita kami today dito sa holding room ng defense team para mapag-usapan ng ilang bagay-bagay, no? But she will not be attending the hearing or the scheduled hearing this afternoon. She has engagements din po kasi. That's why she's here in Manila. And she will have to proceed to her engagements after our meeting. Sana po klaro po yun sa atin lahat. Gusto rin po niya na ihayag ko yun sa inyo, no? Para malinaw sa lahat kung bakit siya nandito today.
Sir, may chance ba na magpa-interview din siya sa amin?
I don't know. Baka hindi na siguro because as you know, the defense is very, very mindful pagdating sa rules on impeachment, no? And while of course, I presume all of you would like to interview her also, she's here for a very quick meeting with us, and then after she really has to proceed to her other engagements as Vice President. So baka hindi na siguro. And because nga, as I mentioned, we're very mindful with talking about the merits of the case. And alam ko naman, hindi nyo rin may iwasan na matanong siya doon. I think the defense would rather, no, na yung mga tanong natin, mga briefings natin would be after each trial day na lang siguro. I would always allot at least 10 to 15 minutes after trial date, no matter how late it ends, para naman po mapagbigyan kayo sa mga updates nyo because I'm sure you'll need that also.
Sir, bakit po important for the Vice President to conduct the meeting here when it could have been done elsewhere?
Because the Vice President has always been the type of person, no, that will adjust to the convenience nung ka-meeting niya. And because the defense, as you know, is here because meron kaming 2 p.m. hearing, patuloy ang trial natin dito, syempre minarapat na niya na dito na lang kami magkita para nung sa ganun, hindi kami yung ma-inconvenience. You know, yan ang talagang yan naman talaga ang naging character ng Vice President kahit nung una ko siyang nakatrabaho sa DepEd. She's always very conscious about kung yung convenience ng kausap niya.
Attorney, napanood po ba ni Vice President Sara yung trial kahapon? What was her initial reaction?
Hindi namin napag-usapan kung napanood niya live kasi meron din siyang talagang she was into the planning nga talaga yesterday, no, for the incoming super typhoon. She was trying to prepare everything for the response of the OVP at pagbibigay ng serbisyo. But of course, we were giving her updates throughout the day. I was talking to her last night. So wala naman siyang alam naman niya kasi na she trusts that we know what we're doing, hindi ba? And first of all, yesterday was just the first day of trial. Kumbaga, preliminary pa lang po tayo. So, tingnan na lang natin sa mga susunod na araw. Like today, for example, meron nang i-represent na witness, as I understand it, from the prosecution. So, lang po, intayin lang po natin siguro yung mga developments sa trial.
Sir, hindi mo ba, of course, ngayon yung second day, the presentation of witnesses, hindi po ba dahil nag-decide na po si VP Sara dahil na ito yung second date na yung presentation ng witnesses, kaya po siya nag-decide na ngayon na po siya dumating sa Senate at mag-meet po kayo sa inyo?
Hindi po. Ito pong meeting ay napag-usapan na po talaga namin. Scheduled po ito. Nagkaroon lang talaga siya ng time sa kanyang engagements para makausap rin, no? At kumustahin rin ang defense team. But we're in constant communication naman with her. So itong meeting did have to happen on the second day, first day, third day. Kasi everyday naman po, in-update naman po natin ang ating Vice Presidente. Which is very much involved.
So, the reason na si VP Sara, ba't hindi pa siya sumunod?
Sorry, isa-isa lang po.
What
Isa-isa
are
lang
the
po.
nature of her engagements after that? And how important are they that she couldn't just face the trial after?
Opo. Well, ako naman, I'm not from OVP anymore, so I don't have to answer that. But the thing here is, it's important because it's her duties as the Vice President. No? Kaya ito, impeachment, alam naman natin na itong impeachment ay isang bagay na kailangan sagutin at ginagawa naman natin yon. But at the same time, the Vice President has to go on and do her job as the Vice President.
So, hindi naman po niya iniiwasan ng impeachment trial. Dadalo po siya sa tamang panahon. Hindi niya iniiwasan ng impeachment trial.
Yes, hindi po. Kaya nga po kami nandito mga abogado niya. Kung umiwas po kami, di baka hindi na kami lumahok dito sa Senado. No? But,
Personal po ba siyang dadalo?
Sumasagot pa.
ano po, sir?
Personal po ba siyang dadalo sa impeachment trial?
Ang parati nating sinasabi dyan, sir, is kung kinakailangan, and that will be upon advice of counsel.
Pero wala pang schedule kung dadalo siya.
Wala pa po tayong pinag-uusapan.
Thank you po. Thank you so much po.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Ay, may camera doon. Wala lang yan. Sa taas. Sir, may camera, sir. Doon, wala pa naman ayun na. Ay, guys. Ay, book. Doon, camera.
How are you prepared to study that?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am!
So, 6 years.
VP, how are you?
How are you?
Dito, ano nangyari dito? Paglabas na katulad. Ayaw magbigaya kaya ganyan nangyari.
Tayo kasi nakapasok na sa gate. Balik-balik. Balik-balik na tayo. Those who are not media.
Saan po tayo? Saan po tayo? Boss, boss.
Ay, VP!
Atras! Atras!
VP! Ay, VP! Kamusta po kayo? Kamusta po kayo? VP, kamusta kayo?
Atin kayo mamaya. Magagamit kayo.
Excuse me.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning po, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Condolence,
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you po, ma'am.
O, ano na?
So, ma'am, kamusta po?
So, yes. Okay. Okay. Just two sentences, one sentence, and then no questions. Yeah, I know. Sadly, no? Sad. Siya ang may kasalanan. Sabi niya no questions daw.
Ma'am, overruled.
Yes. So my statement is, in this bloodbath and bludgeoning, I will be blooded but unbowed. Maraming salamat.
Ma'am, kamusta kayo, ma'am? Ma'am, kamusta kayo, ma'am?
Ano comment nyo na